Welcome to Plus Accounting Software. In this video, we will tell you about the basic features of our software so that you can see the demo and understand it properly. To download Plus Accounting Software, you have to visit and open our website akashinfoware.com. After that, you can see the download option for the Plus software. Click to the download option and wait for a while for the downloading. After that, you have to fill necessary details in that like name, mobile number, city and email address. If you are downloading it for the first time, you need OTP of the number you have registered over here. If you are downloading demo from out of India, you will get OTP in your email. Click to the register and download and software will be downloaded. After completion of downloading, run the setup for the further process. In license agreement, you have to select I accept the agreement option and then do next. After that, necessary files will be started copying in default installation path in your system. After copying of the files, you will get the welcome screen and for the installation, you have to click to the next button. After that, you will get the option for selecting drive in your system. Like if you want to install in C drive, you have to type C and then click to the next button. After that, you will see the different type of the software. At that time, we select the professional version and select the single user or the multi-user and then click to the finish button. After that, software will be installed in your system. Now you can see the icon on your desktop. To open Plus Accounting software, press enter to the icon or double click on it. After opening the software, you can see the default company which is already there. Now to make new company, press to the new or F3 and create the company. You will see the screen for making new company and you have to fill all the details regarding company like country, state, language, company's name, etc. Click to the next and you have to fill all the address details regarding company. And again press to the next and fill the other details of the company like PAN number, TAN number, etc. If you want to edit an already existed company details, click to the edit button or press F4. Now we will see how to make new accounts of party in the company. Go to the master and click to the account and you will get the screen for creating new party account. Fill the necessary details in it like name, alias name or code and then select the group for the party. After selecting group, you have to fill the important details of the party like state, city, PAN number, TAN number, etc. And at last to save it, press OK button or Ctrl plus enter. Press escape to close the screen. Now for new product entry, for that you have to again go to the master and select the product. To create new product, you have to click on new or press insert for the new product entry. After that, you will see the screen for the new product entry. This screen will show you every necessary details regarding products like product name, alias name, GST or VAT slip, HSN code and then product type like goods or services. If you want to maintain the stock of the product, then select yes to the stock required. After that, add sales rate and purchase rate of the product and select unit like bag, pieces, boxes, etc. And at last press OK to save the product entry. Press escape to get back to the product list. If you want to make any changes in existing product, press enter to the product or press edit from the bottom. Again, press escape to get back to the main screen. Now we will see how to add the opening stock of the product. For that, go to the transaction and in transaction select stock entry. And in stock entry, select the opening stock. For the new entry, press to the new button or press insert button. In the entry, enter voucher number and voucher date and select the product of which you want to add stock. Add product, its quantity and its rate. After adding the product to the stock, press OK and save the opening stock voucher. After saving opening stock entry, you can see the product in the stock report. Now, we will see how to make new sale bill. To add new sale bill, go to the transaction, in that sale entry and sale invoice. Here, we will see the already existing sale bill list and to make new sale bill, click on new button or press insert. After that, you have to select cash or debit and then select the party account. You can select the party from already existing party, or to create new, press F3 or add. If you want to change any details of the already existing party account, press F4 or edit. Select party account and after that select the invoice type in it. If you are selling in local, then select GST, and if outstate, select IGST. Then select tax invoice or bill of supply or other. If you are making bill of tax-free item, then select bill of supply or else tax invoice or other. After that, current date will be shown to you. And if you want to change the date, you can also do it. Press enter and come to the product. After that, select the product by doing enter on it. You can see the product list which are already exist and select the product of which you want to make the bill. Enter quantity, rate and amount. If you want to make changes there, you can also do that. To make new product in product list, press F3 or new button. To edit any product, press F4 or edit button. And if you want to delete any product, press delete or Ctrl Y. After doing entry of every product, press OK to save the voucher. If you want to see the bill format, then press to the print button and see the default format of our sale bill. Bill format can be changed according to your requirement also. After saving sale voucher, party account effect and stock effect will be updated in reports. The way we had made the sales voucher entry, same as you can make the purchase voucher entry also. To make it, go to the transaction and then purchase entry and then purchase invoice. By doing same, you can make the purchase voucher entry. We had made the inventory entry. Now we will see how to make account voucher entry. Go to the transaction and cash bank entry, and after that you will get the options like bank payment, bank receipt, cash payment, cash receipt or contra entry. Now we will see how to make bank payment entry. Click to the bank payment entry. You will see the list of the entry which are already existing, and to make new entry, press insert or new. After adding new bank payment voucher entry, you can see the bank and cash ledger which is already exist. To add new ledger, press F3 or new. Select the bank in it and after that select receipt or payment. If you are doing payment, then select payment entry. After pressing enter, you will move to the date. Current date will be automatically shown to you, and if you want to change the date, you can change it also. After that, opposite party account list will be open and you have to select from it. If you are doing any expense payment entry, then you have to select expense ledger. After that, in amount option, type the amount you want to pay. Then you can also enter check number and check date. And in narration box, you can also write any extra details if you want. And at last, press OK to save bank payment voucher. Like this, you can also do bank receipt, cash payment, cash receipt or contra entry also. Now, we will see how to do journal entry in the software. For journal entry, go to the transaction and then journal entry, and in that journal menu. In that, we can see the entry which we had entered before. For new entry, click to the new button. In this entry, you can do any journal entry or any round of entry. After doing all these entries, we will see all the reports from the reports. Now, if you want to see the outstanding reports of the party, you have to go to the reports and in that outstanding. In outstanding reports, you can see receivable and payable both reports of the party. Now, if you want to see any single party ledger, you have to go to the reports. In reports, go to the account book and in account book, select account ledger. Like this, you can see all the different reports of the ledger. Press enter on any party name to see their entry and all reports. To print that ledger, press Ctrl P and you can make print. You can also do message to the party on WhatsApp or Telegram. If you want to see the reports of whole year, you can see it by sale register or purchase register. You can see this report by date wise also. And that's it. This is the basic demo of our software. Thank you for watching video. Hope you liked it.